Hello and welcome back to another video from Eatskinnylive. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make minced beef bolognese. Fantastic served with spaghetti or vegetables. Let's get cooking. And that is it, another fantastic dinner idea. Now for me, I wasn't quite sure on the celery because I don't really like celery, but once it was in there and all cooked down, I didn't really taste it. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to keep up to date with new videos, and I will see you in the next one.